Trippy, get your Mariah. Sure look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight.
Good evening, madam. May I help you?
I would like to book a ticket to Rara, Switzerland. Can you tell me the schedule of the available flight to 21st of August?
Would you like to have a single or return ticket, madam?
Single.
Okay, madam. The available flight tomorrow are at 9 a.m. and 8:30 p.m.
I would like to take at 8:15 in the evening flight for 2 people.
Okay, please tell me the customer name.
Okay, Miss Lisa Anderson. LICAANDERSON. And Mr. Mike Jackson. MIKEJACKSON.
Would you like a business card, first card, or economy card ticket?
I will take the business card.
Okay, madam. Please wait for a while.
Thank you.
Thank you for waiting, madam. Your flight already booked the single flight on 21st of August at 8:30 p.m. Flight to London, Switzerland. Is alright?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, madam. Thank you for choosing our airline and don't forget check in the flight before boarding 2 hours.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, madam.
Good day, may I ask where you are flying today?
We are flying to Raron, Switzerland.
May I have your plane ticket and passport, please?
Okay.
Please. How many suitcases do you have?
I have just one suitcase.
Okay. I have one suitcase and one handbag to carry on. Okay. Can you put your luggage on the weighing machine here? Sure.
Here is my luggage.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm afraid your bag is overweight. You have to pay an exit baggage charge. Oh, I don't believe that. There exit baggage charge of $20 please. That tag on to your hand baggage you can pay here now. Okay. This is an exit baggage charge. Okay, thank you. Would you like a window on an aisle seat? Window seat, please. Okay. Wait, I check for your yes, there. Okay, I'm paying to you in 11A and 12B boarding gate in gate 5. Boarding time is 8:15 p.m. You can start boarding the plane in 30 minutes and plane will take off in 1 hour.
Could you tell me how to get to the gate 5?
Yes, go straight ahead and turn right at the east, turn left and A5 is there. Follow the zone for your gate number on the bottom ticket.
Thank you. And where can I get the trolley?
And the pillar in here is your boarding pass. Have a good journey.
Thank you for your help.
Okay. Good evening. May I have your passport, please? Sure. Here you are. And you?
Here you are.
Where are you flying? I'm flying to Rara, Switzerland. Is there any stopover? Yes, there is. It is Sweden. I see. Can I see your boarding pass? Here you are. And you?
Here you are.
Thank you. Did you have your bag checked? Yes, I already done it. Did you pack your bag yourself? Yes, I did it. Okay. You have to go to gate 5. Where is gate 5? Go straight and turn right. You will see it's on the right. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. When we arrive there, I will take you to the best restaurant and the most famous in that area.
That's a great idea. Do you have any activity that you recommend when we arrive there?
Yes, there are many activities such as jet ski, snowboard, and mount titles.
Oh, that sounds good. I would like jet ski.
And moreover, there are many travel attractions.
You have to be guide for me in this journey.
Sure, I made the plan for this trip already.
Oh, that's good.
This is the final call of flight ST-776 to London, Switzerland. Please proceed to gate 5 immediately.
Oh,
Oh, that is all fine. Hurry to go to the gate to the plane now.
let's go.
Introduce myself. My name is Anarapon. You can call me Gam. I am flight attendant.
My name is Jentila. You can call me Jane. I am flight attendant. My name is Nataka. You can call me. I am flight attendant. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Our flight will be about 12 hours.
Okay. May I see your boarding pass? Here you are. Okay, madam. Here is your boarding pass.
Okay, thank you.
May I see your boarding pass?
Here you are.
Okay, sir. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
May I see your boarding pass? I will check before.
Sure, here you are.
Okay, madam. Here is your boarding pass.
Okay.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to my seat?
Can I see your boarding pass?
Here it is.
It's over there near the window.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me.
Can I have your madam?
Yes, my seat is number 11A, but someone is already in that seat.
May I see your boarding pass?
Sure. Here you are.
Wait a moment, I will take care of it.
Okay.
Excuse me, madam. May I see your boarding pass? Yes, certainly. Here you are. Your seat number 21A. I am afraid you are in the wrong seat. This is 11A.
Oh, I'm sorry. I will move to my seat.
Thank you, madam. This way is madam.
Oh, thank you.
As your safety is our concern, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features on this aircraft. We ask you full attention to the flight attendants in front of you.
นี่คือเข็มขัดรัดที่นั่ง
This is your seat belt.
วิธีการรัดเข็มขัด ให้สอดหัวเข็มขัดเข้าด้วยกัน ปรับสายรัดให้แน่นโดยดึงที่สายรัดเข็มขัด
To fasten, insert a metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap.
วิธีการปลดเข็มขัด ให้ยกหัวด้านบนขึ้น และแยกปลายทั้งสองด้านออกจากกัน
To unfasten, lift the metal flap.
หากเกิดการเปลี่ยนแปลงของความดันอากาศ หน้ากากออกซิเจนบนแผงเหนือศีรษะของท่านจะตกลงมาโดยอัตโนมัติ ดึงหน้ากากลงมา ครอบหน้ากากไว้ที่บริเวณจมูกและปาก สวมสนัดรอบศีรษะแล้วหายใจตามปกติ
Should an oxygen mask like this automatically drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with a headband tightly around your head and breathe normally.
สวมหน้ากากให้ตัวเองก่อน แล้วสวมให้ผู้ที่อยู่ภายใต้ความดูแลของท่าน
Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care.
เครื่องบินลำนี้มีประตูทางออกฉุกเฉิน และสไลด์นิรภัยทั้งสองด้าน
Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located.
เมื่อเกิดเหตุการณ์ฉุกเฉิน กรุณาทิ้งสัมภาระต่างๆ ไว้บนเครื่อง
During evacuation, leave your hand luggage.
หากมีควันเกิดขึ้น ให้หมอบตัวลงตามสัญญาณไฟที่พื้นไปยังทางออก
If smoke is present, please keep low and follow the ped lights to the nearest exit as indicated.
ใบชี้แจงการใช้อุปกรณ์นิรภัยอยู่ในกระเป๋าเก้าอี้หน้าที่นั่งของท่าน
A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket.
ขอเรียนให้ท่านทราบว่าเที่ยวบินนี้เป็นเที่ยวบินปลอดบุหรี่ขอบคุณครับ
All flight is a non-smoking flight. Thank you.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Thai Airlines International, Captain S. would like to welcome you on board SG776 to London, Switzerland. The flight time will be 12 hours. For safety reasons, please start the safety on board in the seat pocket and keep all buckets under the seat in front of you on the overhead locker. Please note that here is stick on music, mobile or electronic device on board, which you may find in Hello Magazine column for your safety. For more information, please contact a cabin attendant during taking off and landing. Please fasten your seat belt, put your seat back upright, return the table to its locked position, and hold up your window shade. We are pleased to inform you that on overflight are not smoking. We hope to provide you with the best service. Your comments and suggestions regarding our in-flight service are sincerely welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now descending to London Airport. Please return to your seats and fasten your seat belt.
Would you like a newspaper to read, sir?
Oh, yes, good.
We know. We have some fine entertainment for you too.
Wow, interesting.
You will find the free guide in the pocket in front of you.
Okay.
If there anything I can get it for you, then please just for assistance.
Thank you.
With my pleasure. What would you like to drink?
I would like to drink cola, please. Thank you.
And you, madam? I would like to have strawberry juice. Okay. Thanks. Would you like fish or chicken?
Fish, please.
Okay. And for you, madam? Do you have pork? Sorry, madam. We have just fish and chicken. Alright. Then I would like chicken, please. Okay. Okay, madam. Here is your meal. Thank you.
Later, 20 minutes later.
Excuse me, may I take your place?
Sure.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, I'm feeling cool.
Oh, why don't you ask for the blankets from the flight attendant?
Oh, that's a great idea. Excuse me, may I help you? May I have a blanket? Wait a minute, please. Okay. This is your blanket. That's your request. Thank you.
Oh, excuse me, I'm not feeling well. May I have some acid medicine, please?
Wait a minute, please. Here you are.
Thank you.
Many hours later.
Ladies your personal belongings and travel documents before leaving the aircraft. After disembarkation, please contact our ground staff for any information or assistance you may need. Thank you.
Let's go.
What is the purpose of your visit?
We are going to visit our relative.
Oh, yes. How long to plan to stay in Switzerland?
For a week, then we will go back to Thailand.
Could I see your passport?
Sure, here you are.
Here is passport. And you?
Here you are.
Here is passport. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Do I go to custom now?
First, you must get your bag. Follow the sign saying baggage claim.
Okay, thanks. Oh, where is our baggage?
Oh, there on your baggage claim.
Oh, sure. This is my baggage.
Oh, this is my baggage. Let's go to the customs now.
Okay.
Wow.
Anything to declare?
No.
Just my laptop computer. I put it on the form.
Let's see the computer.
Here it is.
What is inside this box?
Oh, just my glasses and personal effects.
Okay. And what are these?
Oh, these are great, some great for my relatives.
Sorry, I will have to confiscate them.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know, but why?
You can bring in fast foods or vegetable because they might clearly taste order.
Okay.
Have a nice vacation.
Thank you. Wow, Switzerland, so beautiful.
Oh, I think it's big too.
Wow, let's get the taxi to the hotel now.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
My name is Janjila Sagadeng, student code 59202154. I act as flight attendant.
My name is Nungluthai Mahothorn. My student code 59203582. I act as customer.
My name is Kittikon Muthitak, student code 59202020. I act as customer.
My name is Nathakan Pasa. My number code 59202367. I act as flight attendant.
Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living